Once upon a time, there were three strange friends. Curious George, R2, and Kung Fu Guy. I'm bored. Let's go visit chicken. Rubber chicken. Who dares enter chicken's domain of rubber? It's Curious George and Kung Fu person and R2. And give me one good reason why I should not pulverize you with my mighty power because you have disturbed my neck exercises. I'm just so curious. About what? Me destroying you in bloody murder? No, we're just bored. Okay, since you're so bored, I guess I'll just give you something to do. Why don't you go destroy the spike ball and the alien? They have been annoying me. How are they annoying you? They somehow found it amusing to pelt rocks at my abs. How dare they? Those are the best abs I've ever seen. Let's get them. Alien, I'm feeling so bored. I wish someone would come and try to destroy us. I've come to destroy you. Your reign of terror is over. I'm still bored. Hey! How dare you try to destroy us? Let's escape quick. Stupid robot powers activate. So how do you think we should destroy them? Why don't we get a big pink egg to destroy them? No, that's stupid. How about a rabbit foot? Wouldn't that give them luck? How about a giant hammer? No, I have the perfect idea. Do 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 do. Man, I have to admit that was a really good idea. Hey, do you guys have my pay? Pay? Yeah, my pay. I didn't know I had to pay you anything. Oh, well, there's one way to pay for it, and we all know the answer to that. Your punishment shall be listening to country music. No, anything but that. No, the torture, it's burning my ears. And before he knew it, he exploded. You people again, why have you disturbed my yoga class? There's no one here. Oh well. We destroyed the spike ball and the alien. I thought the country music did that. Shh. Yes, thank you. Your reward shall be great. I will give you a pink egg. What are we supposed to do with a pink egg? Some say it's great for destroying enemies. So just think of any enemies you have. Take that, Easter Bunny! Take back your stupid eggs! Today's been great, but I've always wondered, what's inside of R2? Dun dun dun! It's Princess Leia! The end. And this toy provided music.